Students, biology has so many important aspects. In them, one of the important concept is living or life. Always one question makes us amaze. How these living beings are defined or how to understand life. You can call living or life. Both are similar. When you come through life, what it is exactly? It is a unique, complex organization of molecules that express itself through chemical reactions. That means it shows some characteristics which makes any object living or which gives life to that object, like growth, development. When you see these two terms, growth may be because of cellular division. When a cell increase in number due to division, that makes the size of the object is increased, as well as the cell number also increased, which finally gives the object development. And when you come through cells, you know very well they have so many organelles which coordinate together and undergo so many chemical reactions, and these chemical reactions helpful for the cell divisions. Now, reproduction, also very important concept in living beings or life. Then how to define reproduction? Reproduction is nothing but production of progenies or offsprings which are similar to their parents. And here, you know very well, reproduction can be by sexual or asexual methods. And here we are going to understand both type of organisms like unicellular as well as multicellular, which reproduce by using different methods. One more thing, that is a metabolism. How to understand this one? When you come through chemical reactions, it is not only one cell or two cells. It is a chemical reaction of whole body. So here, what to understand? Sum total chemical reactions of any living matter, that indicates metabolism. Now comes one more distinctive characteristics, that is a cell organization. Means cell contained so many important organelles and their coordination makes life activities. And also consciousness means awareness of an living organism about its surroundings and respond to the changes of the surrounding. Likewise guys, we are going to deal with these concepts, very important concepts which makes life and distinguish from non-living things. So in this session we will understand how to define living by using these distinctive characteristics. So the objects exhibiting all these distinctive characteristics are called as living. Thank you.